जहां बनते हैं देश के गौरव, इंडिया का एकमात्र ऐसा कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जहां कैडेट्स को ट्रेन किया जाता है आने वाले डिफेंस एग्जाम के अनुसार। अगर आपका भी सपना है भारतीय सेना में शामिल होकर देश की सेवा करने का, तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी।
Jai Hind to all honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sapna from MNS batch. I am delivering a speech on International Women's Day. Today we are celebrating the International Women's Day. I am extremely glad to be given the opportunity to deliver a speech on this International Women's Day. The International Women's Day is celebrated every year globally on the 8th of March. It sheds light on the great achievement of women in various fields. Empowering women is great responsibility at present 21st century. International Women's Day is celebrated every year with huge enthusiasm around the world to celebrate the achievement for women in the social, political, defense, economic and other fields of life. Today, women rule almost in every field of life and work at par with men. It is necessary to gender equality and social dignity. In the olden days, women were confined to the home and were not allowed to step out of the house for work. But today's society has seen a lot of changes. Today's women have started realizing their strength. They are contributing to the success of their home and the entire society. Modern woman is no longer dependent. She is strong and confident. We should respect each of them, not because of gender, but because of their own identity. We must agree that both women and men contribute to the development of the home and community. You can see women reaching greater heights and even traveling to the space. They are entering into the all fields and are making success everywhere they go. As you know, Kalpana Chawla, she was selected in honor of her prominent place in world history. She was first woman in the Indian descent to go to space. She held commercial pilot's license for signal and multi-engines aeroplanes. We can proudly say even Chawla's accidental death is an inspiration to modern women. You know Malala Yousafzai. At her early period, she became world popular, pointing her finger for the right to women education. Yes, she belongs to the youngest person ever to win the Nobel Peace Prize just in the age of 14. In this auspicious occasion, we should be inspired from the Iron Lady like Wilma Rudolph. Wilma Rudolph was a sickly child who had to wear a brace on her left leg. She overcame her disabilities to compete Olympic Games in 1916. She became the first American woman to win 3 gold medals in track and field at a single Olympics. Every year, the UN sets up a theme for International Women's Day. For this year, the United Nations Women has set up a theme as Gender Equality Today for a Sustainable Development. The theme covers and recognizes the efforts of women of the role women played during the time of a global pandemic. So this International Day, let us all show appreciation, respect and love to all the incredible women in our lives, be it your mother, your wife or daughter. Let us show that we are proud for their efforts and pledge to create a world where women do not have to face any affliction. We share a common future and we are here to find a common ground so that we may help bring new dignity and respect to women and girls all over the world. So on this International Women's Day, let's recognize the importance of women in our lives to the society and motivate them for great future achievements. I am concluding my words expanding the word woman. W for wonderful wife, O for outstanding friend, M for marvelous daughter, A for adorable sister, and N for nurturing mother. Yes, that is woman. Thank you. Have a wonderful Women's Day.
नमस्कार, जय हिंद। मैं आयुषी पांडे त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी में MNS की छात्रा हूँ। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, पूरे विश्व में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस मनाया जा रहा है। इस महिला दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में मैं आप सबके समक्ष एक छोटी सी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। मैं कली हूँ, मैं फुलवारी हूँ, मैं स्त्री हूँ, मैं नारी हूँ। मैं कली हूँ, मैं फुलवारी हूँ, मैं स्त्री हूँ, मैं नारी हूँ। मैं दर्शन हूँ, मैं दर्पण हूँ, मैं अनुनादों की गर्जन हूँ। मैं बेटी हूँ, मैं माता हूँ, मैं बलिदानों की गाथा हूँ। मैं सीता हूँ, मैं द्रौपदी हूँ। पुरुषों की इस दुनिया में मुझे कैसी नीयत दिखलाई, पुरुषों की इस दुनिया ने मुझे कैसी नीयत दिखलाई। कभी जुए में हार गए, कभी अग्नि परीक्षा दिलवाई। कभी जुए में हार गए, कभी अग्नि परीक्षा दिलवाई। कलयुग हो या सतयुग हो, इल्ज़ाम मुझी पर आता है। कलयुग हो या सतयुग हो, इल्ज़ाम मुझी पर आता है। क्यों घनी अंधेरी सड़कों पर चलने से मन घबराता है। क्यों घनी अंधेरी सड़कों पर चलने से मन घबराता है। मैं डरती हूँ, मैं मरती हूँ, मैं डरती हूँ, मैं मरती हूँ, जब सफ़र अकेले करती हूँ। डर का साम्राज्य बढ़ता है जब कोई साया पीछा करता है। डर का साम्राज्य बढ़ता है जब कोई साया पीछा करता है। मेरी मुट्ठी बंध जाती है, मेरी धड़कन भी बढ़ जाती है। मेरी मुट्ठी बंध जाती है और मेरी धड़कन भी बढ़ जाती है तरल पसीना माथे पर, दिल में घबराहट होती है तरल पसीना माथे पर, दिल में घबराहट होती है। जाने ये किसकी साया है, ये कैसी आहट होती है। जाने ये किसकी साया है, ये कैसी आहट होती है। अंधेरे में उन हाथों ने अपनी बाहों में भींच लिया। अंधेरे में उन हाथों ने अपनी बाहों में भींच लिया। एक ने मुंह पर हाथ रखा और एक ने आंचल खींच लिया। नारी के सम्मान को मिलकर तार तार वो कर डाला। नारी के सम्मान को मिलकर तार तार वो कर डाला। मर्यादा के आंचल को फिर जार जार वो कर डाला। मर्यादा के आंचल को फिर जार जार वो कर डाला। लथपथ वो काया सामने तस्वीरें खींची गई। लथपथ वो काया सामने तस्वीरें खींची गई, पर कोई मदद से आगे नहीं आया।
I would like to initiate from some lines that औरत बोझ नहीं, उसको बोझ बनाया हमने है। औरत बोझ नहीं, उसको बोझ बनाया हमने है। सती से लेकर बाल विवाह और दहेज बनाया हमने है। समाज बनाया हमने है, रिवाज बनाए हमने हैं। समाज बनाया हमने है, रिवाज बनाए हमने हैं। औरत को दबी हुई आवाज़ बनाया हमने है। जय हिंद एवरीवन, दिस इज़ वत्सल त्रिपाठी फ्रॉम NDA बैच। I would like to represent my points on the topic Women's Day. As listening the topic, we got the first letter, that is first word, that is women. I would like to describe the word women. Women is the love. Women is the combination of love and power. So we can say power plus love is equals to a woman. A woman is a very important role of our life. In everyone's life, women play a very important role, such as a daughter, as a teacher, as a wife, and especially as a mother. We all know that women as a mother sacrifice their career, their figure, many things for their children. So as in this way we can say a woman is a backbone of a country, of a society, and of your house too. So as we can take the example of this institution, Trisul Defense Academy, our whole institution depends on the women's are governing our whole faculty, such as Ekta ma'am and Achal ma'am. Everyone is confidently handling the management of this institution, and we all have seen how perfectly they solve our problems and teachers' problems too. And we all have seen the women in many roles, but now we want to say our women as a warrior. We all have seen this in the defense sector, such as Tanya Sergil and Avni Chaturvedi ma'am, who is the first Indian fighter pilot of India. And now we all are going to join NDA now we all are going to join NDA, and we will prove that we can we can handle war situation very perfectly too, and we will play a good role during the war session, during the war condition. And people think that women are emotionally weak, but I would like to tell them that women are women are emotionally weak, but every time women's emotions are not the weakness of a woman, it is the strength of a woman sometimes. And we have many examples for it. If we goes to the history, we have seen Rani Lakshmi Bai and Razia Sultan, the first Indian lady Sultan of Hindustan, and many more. So this way we can say that women are the best as warriors too. And at last I would like to conclude that by saying the women should, I would like to conclude at the last that Women's Day should not be celebrated one day. It should be celebrated every day, every year, whole year, I think. And if you imagine, we can't imagine our life without a woman. And if you are imagining your life without a woman, then you are a fool. So please don't be a fool. Be foxy and respect the girls, respect the women around you, and let them work, let them educate herself. Thank you. Jai Hind, and at last I would like to wish you all a very happy Women's Day.
Jai Hind to all my dear friends. Myself Kritika, I am from NDA batch in Trishul Defence Academy. Today we all gather here to celebrate International Women's Day. The International Women's Day is celebrated every year on 8 March. I would like to wish you all happy International Women's Day. I am going to describe the importance of women. As we all know, in the olden days, women were not allowed to spit out of the housework, but today's society has seen a lot of change. Modern woman is no longer dependent. She is strong and self-confident. We should respect to each of them, not because of gender, but because of their identity. Women can do everything. You can see women reaching greater height as Kalpana Chawla go in the space and traveling there. And also, Malala Yousafzai, she became world popular and she wins the Nobel Prize at the age of 14. We should be inspired from the Iron Lady, William Rudolph, who had to wear a brace foot on her left leg. She overcome her disabilities to compel Olympic Games, and also she wins 3 Nobel Prize. Now we can say women can do everything. Women is the backbone of our country. Now women is going to join NDA. There is no impossible for women. At least I would like to say to all women of the world, जब हौसला बना लिया ऊंची उड़ान का, जब हौसला बना लिया ऊंची उड़ान का, फिर देखना फिजूल है कद आसमान का. So go and touch the sky and don't bind yourself. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, myself Pransu Yadav, and I am standing over here to speak about Women's International Day. So we all know that on 18th March, International Women's Day was celebrated, and we all know that it is celebrated due to the upliftment of women. We all know that in India and all across the world, we all know that women suffered more and more. We all know that the women in India and across the world suffering from sati system, dowry system, and discriminated on the basis of many things, like they cannot get jobs, they cannot get equal opportunities as compared to men. And if we talk about women, a lovable, precious, and a very respected woman in the world is mother. So I want to speak 2-3 lines for the women which is called as mother. So the mother is, uske उसके यानी कि माँ के रहते जीवन में कोई गम नहीं होता। माँ के रहते जीवन में कोई गम नहीं होता। अगर माँ साथ हो तो दुनिया में कोई साथ दे या ना दे, लेकिन माँ का साथ कभी कम नहीं होता। We all know that if we respect the women, they can give us more and more. They can give us respect. They can give us they can give us more upliftment in the country and in all over the world. For example, if we compare the women's against men, then we all know that the Kalpana Chawla, Bachendri Pal, Mother Teresa and Indira Gandhi, they all are the women's which prove that the women also can empowerment and also make status on international level. And at last I want to sing a song for the teacher, which can be also a woman, and for mother. So the song is माँ बाप से बड़ा जग में और कोई नहीं होता, गुरु जी से भी बढ़ कर के भगवान नहीं होता। माँ बाप से बड़ा जग में और कोई नहीं होता, गुरु जी से भी बढ़ कर के भगवान नहीं होता। कितने भी बुरे हो पर है तो ये पिता माता, कितने भी बुरे हो पर है तो ये पिता माता। कुछ भी न कभी कहना हृदयों का है नाता, कुछ भी न कभी कहना हृदयों का है नाता। माँ बाप से बड़ा जग में और कोई नहीं होता, गुरु जी से भी बढ़ कर के भगवान नहीं होता। थैंक यू।
जहां बनते हैं देश के गौरव, इंडिया का एकमात्र ऐसा कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जहां कैडेट्स को ट्रेन किया जाता है आने वाले डिफेंस एग्जाम के अनुसार। अगर आपका भी सपना है भारतीय सेना में शामिल होकर देश की सेवा करने का, तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी।